Nature Valley bar. Comes in 3 flavors. Oh yeah! Hi, I'm Tamika, and I love Nutri-Grain bars. I work for their company because I love them. I live off of Nutri-Grain bars. They're so good. That's how much TLC is put into each Nutri-Grain bar. And I'm not just saying one. I'm saying each one in the pouch. In every pouch. That's how great Nutri-Grain. I love Nutri-Grain bars. Okay, so in the Nutri-Grain Nature Valley bars, there are actually 3 different kinds in this particular box. We have Apple Crisp, Tasty and Delicious, and Tasty and Nutritious. Delicious and nutritious. What word? Okay, next we have the ever popular Oats and Honey. Hey honey, honey bunny. Hey honey, 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 honey bunny, funny bunny, honey bunny, funny bunny. Book by Dr. Seuss. You should read it. It's really good. Okay. And my last one, where is the succulent bar? I work day and night for this company because this is all I eat all the time, and they don't give me any peanut butter. What is this? This is like a milk.
That is your Nature Valley Fun Pack.